This is Samantha, and she's gonna do half of the TAKIS plus a bag of hot Cheetos in under 10 minutes. Let's go.
It's stuck.
Huh?
It's stuck. It's stuck. It looks good.
Nope, get there. 1 minute.
Go get me water.
Just drink those. Come on, ra đây, có xem. Go. Go. How's it going so far? So how's it going?
Okay. So hard to swallow.
Drink water. Lại đi bỏ đâu mà. What's making it work? What's making it hard to swallow?
You have to chew before you swallow. That takes up way too much time.
Come on, man.
Eat a lot.
You're going slow. You're at 3 minutes. What? Too spicy?
No.
4 minutes. Come on, man, you're almost done. Let's see if you can get to the hot Cheeto. Hurry.
These are making my mouth dry.
That's why you drink water. Come on, man, you still got like 4 plates. 5 minutes. 30 seconds.
I ain't gonna finish this.
You're not gonna get any of the hot Cheetos.
What? This is so big and so dry.
That's what she said.
Look at this.
Well, you can give up any time. It doesn't matter. That'll just pass on to a third challenge. Don't puke. Pô, cô có ra muốn chụp play tên có mà chụp play có nó mỏ à. Go write on your notebook or paper.
This is a notebook.
In your backpack.
This is a notebook in my backpack.
Go.
So dry, man.
7 minutes. Come on, man, you're almost there. You have to eat everything on the tray.
Daddy! Do challenge. Hey! Daddy!
Just swallow. Throw up.
They're usually very quick. You got it. 8 minutes.
I quit.
You quit.
Fuck, I can't swallow.
She's good at 8 minutes and 15 seconds. And this is all she has left. So what do you say?
It's hard, it's long, it's dry.
There you go, guys. She failed.